Okay, today's lab is on gears. We'll be starting off at your normal table, and it's labeled as a station. For example, this is station 4, so make sure on your answer sheet, which each person needs to do one, you are then answering the questions for station 4. You will get information from the information sheets here to answer the questions, and you may be asked to do some things such as look at the relationship between how far the windmill, we call this thing the windmill, turns when the crank turns. So the way you simply do that is like this. You set it up so that you're starting with the crank in one position, the windmill in a position where you can count, and we go, there's one turn of the crank, and we see this turns about one time. So that's how you'll be doing the crank to windmill turn. Please remember, if one turn of the crank gives you more than one turn of the windmill, you get a gain in speed and distance. If one turn of the crank gives you less than one turn of the windmill, then you get a gain in force. And if they're just the same as this one pretty much is, then you get no mechanical advantage. And of course, you'll deal with that as you're reading the questions. When I tell you to stop, doesn't matter if you're done or not, you stop, you move to the next station, so you'll go from station 4 to station 5. You will have a limited amount of time to answer those questions. And then at the end, if there is a station you did not complete, you can go back to that station and work on that before you turn in your lab. When you're done then, of course, please make sure you get today's homework, which is back here where it usually is. This is the gear worksheet. And with the gear worksheet, you simply will draw the arrows indicating the direction of the various gears. All right, thank you very much, and get her.